Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain how to download and install MySQL latest version 8.0.31. So let's start my video. Now, first we open any browser for downloading this file. Here I am use Chrome browser. So open Chrome browser and search MySQL download. After searching, several websites will be open. Now simply click on the mysql.com first website. After clicking, this page will be open. Now scroll down this page and see the MySQL community GPL download. Click on it. All MySQL products are available here. You can download anything. So we have simply click on the MySQL installer for Windows and click on the download button to download this file. Both are the MySQL installer, so download anything and anyone. Here I am suggest you to download the second option, so click on the download button. After clicking this button, this page will be open. No need for login, just click on the no thanks, just start my download. After clicking this, our download will be started. We have already downloaded this file, so simply cancel this file and go to our download folder and see the installation process of MySQL. After your download will be completed, this file will be in show your download folder. Simple click on this file, double click on it and run this file and see the installation process of MySQL. Accept all permissions. When done first time your setup file, this page will be open. If you want to install server only, then select on server only and click on the next button to download MySQL server only. If you want to install client only, then simply choose client only and click on the next button. If you want to install custom installation, then click on the select custom and click on the next button and select here which you want to install, like MySQL server, MySQL workbench, MySQL power shell, as well as MySQL PowerShell documentation. Here I am explain how to download MySQL all products. So simple select full and click on the next button. And after clicking, this page will be open. Now here click on simple next button, accept all permissions. After that, click on simple execute button and wait for installation. Wait same time. So our installation will be completed. Now simply click on the next button. Here we need to configuration, then click on the next button. No need to for changing anything, simple click on the next button, again click on the next button, and right here MySQL root password. So choose any password. If you like any password, then choose. I repeat this password here, and simple click on the next button, again click on the next button, again click on the next button, and after that click on the execute button, and wait some time for all configuration applying. So our configuration setup is completed. Now click on the finish button. You can see here configuration setup completed. Now again complete reconfiguration MySQL. So click on the next button and finish it. And second configuration will be not needed. Then click on third configuration. Then click on next button and write here password for you choose after MySQL configuration, and click on check button. After clicking check button, green color connection successed. Then click on the next button. After clicking next button, execute button will be click it, and wait some time for applying configuration. So our configuration will be successfully applied. Then click on the finish button. You can see here configuration completed. After that, click on the next button. So our installation and configuration will be completed. Simple uncheck this folder and click finish button to finish this. So our installation will be completed. Now search bar, search MySQL. You can see here MySQL client server will be installed and MySQL Workbench will be installed. So open MySQL client server and type your password which you insert in installing time, and press the enter button. So you can see here MySQL 8.0.31 will be installed successfully. You can show database command, you can show database command to see the databases. So our database will be created by default. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share video with your friends.